everyone, this is Sonia. Today I'm here to talk to you about a very important skill that we all aim for, aspire for, and is definitely the cornerstone of our career success. Yes, I'm here to talk to you about leadership. So effective leaders have the ability to communicate well and be able to motivate their teams. They handle and delegate responsibilities, listen to feedback, and have the flexibility to solve problems in an ever-changing workplace. Does that sound like a lot on the platter? Believe me, it's only the tip of the iceberg. Different leaders have different styles and different characteristics. There is no one right way to lead. However, the main characteristic of a leader is the flexibility and the adaptability to changing circumstances. It entails dealing with people to motivate, to enthuse, to build mutual respect. And different situations build different leaders. And do the best leaders have these qualities naturally? Or were they acquired at school, college? Well, you can develop to be a good leader too, just as long as you take time to learn the fundamental leadership skills. However, the effectiveness depends on how well you apply these skills. So, what do we have to learn in order to become a better leader? Well, for a start, we can begin by raising the bar. Challenge yourself to learn and use one new decision-making tool every week. Now think about the last decision you made. Did you use critical thinking as part of your process? And can you visualize, had you made a different decision, what its impact would have been? Do you feel pressure to make the right decision? And if so, how did it affect the timeliness of your decision? Describe to yourself your natural leadership style. Friends, you don't have to be in a particular post or in a particular role to be able to perform or move as a leader. There are situations that call for action, and how you respond or don't would identify your leadership style. So please think about all of this and then jot down where is it that you find the gap when you think of a leader that you admire and respect and would like to be there. You can do your own research. You can sit and develop some habits from observing your own managers and their leadership styles. And better still, you can always attend some workshops and training programs which will develop you as a leader. Intrigued? To know more, to think about developing more, call us. We are here to help you, guide you. Till then, stay tuned.